Hi students, welcome to today's class, and we're going to be looking at the continuation of redox. Here we're going to be looking at the oxidation states in chemical names of compound or ion. Some compounds or ions shows oxidation states of the element as Roman figure or Roman numerals, okay, and written in brackets. Example, like in the case of ion 3, chloride. That means oxidation state of that ion is written in what? Roman figure. It is a clear case of set rule or ion 2 chloride. Okay? Okay, for molecular ions, I think those elements that contains oxygen atoms, those ones are called what? Molecular ions. Their names usually end in what? A, T, E. For example, I have MnO forward minus. These are molecular ions. Okay, how do we name this compound? The oxidation state of manganese here is written in Roman word figure and in parent word thesis. Remember that in this molecular ion, the two elements there, one appears to vary significantly. Which one varies there? Manganese, because its oxidation number is not steady. It varies from +1, +2, +3, even I know what. So in this case, such elements, when naming the molecular ion, will always be mentioned last and will end in what? ATA. For example, this is named as what? Tetraoxo, okay? Then the manganate now comes after it. Manganate what? Manganate. That means the cell is written as what? VII. Then what? Ion. This is molecular ion. In the case we have NO2 minus. This is another molecular ion. How do you name it? Nitrogen varies significantly. So where are you going to start from? Oxygen. So it's going to be what? Di. It's 2. Dioxo nitrate what? 3 what? Ion. Then for some compound like ion 3 what? Chloride. Okay? These ones, the difference between these molecular ions and this molecular ion are most often negatively what? Charged. But this one, the formula of this can be written as what? FeCl what? Sorry, 3 what it is. So that means this oxidation state of this, because to know this ion, it is from chlorine. You know chlorine is -1 here, isn't it? So from here, we now find out that this one is going to be what? +3. So writing this must be in Roman what? Figure as ion 3 chloride or ion 2 what? Chloride, which can be FeCl what? 2. Just like the way you name CO2 and CO3 2 minus. Which one is a molecular ion here? Which one is a molecular ion? CO3 2 minus. So it means that the carbon there will end in 8. The carbon here cannot end in 8. This is going to be what? Carbon 4 what? Oxide. But this one is going to be what? Trioxocarbonate 4 ion. Are you with me? So that's a one basic part you must know there. Okay, look at this question here. Let's see the question here. What is the state of the named element in the following ions molecules? Okay, A, N in NO, NO2, N2O4, N2O, NO2 minus, and NO3 minus, respectively. So each of these has something in common here. N is what you are looking at. So you don't need. So let's start with NO. Remember, the oxidation state of oxygen is always minus, isn't it? So +2. So this is what? How do you name this? Since it's not negatively charged, it's not going to end in 8. So it's going to be what? Nitrogen what? 2 what? Oxide. The second one, NO2. Okay, sorry, minus 2. This is going to be what? Plus 4. So here you have what? Nitrogen what? 4 what? Oxide. Next one, N2O4. Okay, minus 2. Go like this. Have what? Minus 8. Okay, so that means each of these will be what? Plus. Each atom here will be plus what? 4. So you go like this. You have what? Plus 8, isn't it? So with this, how do you name this? How many nitrogens are here? 2. So it's going to be what? Dinitrogen. What was nitrogen there? 4 now. 4 what? Oxide. Are you with me? The next one is what? N2O. How do we solve N2O? Or normally it's supposed to be solving this, but if it's an objective question, you don't need to solve. Just manipulate, just do the manipulation this way. This is what? Minus 2. So this is going to, each of this N here will be plus what? 1. So if you multiply, have what? Plus 2. So what do you call this? It's become no, this time is not die anything. It is, it used to be die before, but you can't call this one die and call this one die. So this just say this one is what? Nitrogen what? 1. Just 1. What? Oxide. Which is also called laughing what? So you're laughing what? Gas. But this is the first oxide of nitrogen. The first oxide of nitrogen is what? Nitrogen 1 oxide. Okay, that's it. That is it. So the last one, okay, we have NO2 there. NO2, but not NO2, but this time this is not just like a compound, this is a molecular ion now. So be very careful with this one. How to name this one is you should be careful. This is still minus 2. Go like this, you have minus what? 4. So what will be N? If you add it, you have minus 1. Of course, it's plus 3, isn't it? So how do you name it? Don't start with nitrogen. Start from the last. So you have it as a dioxonitrate what? 3. Then what? Ion. Then the last but not the least is NO3 what? Minus. What do you do here? Minus 2. Go like this. Minus 6 plus 5. If you add this, you have minus 1, isn't it? So here will be what? Trioxonitrate what? 5 what? Ion. Are you with me? And then to the B